DoorDash driver sign up tutorial. If you've ever thought about becoming a DoorDash driver, today's video is for you. I'll walk you through the entire sign up process step by step so you can start delivering and earning as soon as possible. So let's get started. First, you need to download the DoorDash app. Just head over to your Apple Store and simply download it. Once downloaded, simply open it up. You'll be greeted with the option to simply log in or sign up to begin the registration process. Now you can choose to sign up through various methods. I'll be choosing continuing with Google. Simply tap on continue. Now just enter your email address and your password. Once you've provided all the information, simply click on next. And that's it. That's how you can sign up for your DoorDash account. After you've signed up, you can simply provide personal information, choose your type of delivery vehicle, and more. Enter your social security number and also upload your documents. And that's it. That's how you can simply complete the sign up process for the DoorDash driver.